Early retirement, how to make it happen, and what you need to know. Imagine waking up one morning, no alarm clock, no 9-to-5 grind, no boss breathing down your neck. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's not only possible, it's within your reach? Stick around, because today we're breaking down the exact steps to early retirement and how you can start today. We all dream of it, escaping the endless cycle of work, bills, and the grind. For many, retirement seems like a far-off fantasy. But what if I told you that the typical retirement at 65 doesn't have to be a reality? What if you could be free by 40 or even 35? Let that sink in. Imagine waking up when you want, traveling the world, pursuing passions, or just living life on your terms. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the kicker. The more you prepare now, the faster that dream can become your reality. But it all starts with one thing: early planning. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The road to early retirement isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It requires grit, discipline, and a few sacrifices along the way. But here's the harsh truth. Most people won't take the leap. They'll continue to live paycheck to paycheck, investing too little and too late, and wondering why they're still stuck in the same cycle year after year. But hey, I get it. Netflix is calling, and those spontaneous weekend getaways seem way more fun than staring at spreadsheets and budgeting, right? But guess what? You can have both. The trick is balance, and that's exactly what we'll cover. Step 1, master your money. Okay, let's get real. The first step towards early retirement, you need to master your money. It's not enough to just earn money. You need to know where it's going. Start by tracking your expenses. Can you cut back on a few unnecessary luxuries? Maybe that daily latte is costing you more than you think. Be ruthless. Don't worry, you're not going to become a coupon clipper or deprive yourself of every joy in life. But imagine how much more freedom you'll have if you ditch the stuff that doesn't truly bring you happiness. That extra $200 a month could be going straight into investments that will work for you. Step 2, the power of investing. Now here's the game changer, investing. It's time to stop thinking of your money as something that just sits in a savings account earning next to nothing. Start putting that cash into assets that grow. Stocks, real estate, index funds, whatever works best for you. You may be thinking, but isn't investing risky? Here's the truth. Not investing is far riskier. Inflation alone will erode your savings over time. So it's time to get over that fear and make your money work for you. Step 3, cutting expenses and building wealth. Next, let's talk about cutting expenses. But don't get me wrong, this isn't about depriving yourself of life's little pleasures. You don't have to eat ramen for the next 10 years. It's about conscious spending. This means prioritizing what actually matters and cutting back on the things that don't align with your long-term goals. Here's the fun part though. Sometimes the more you cut back, the more freedom you gain. Sounds crazy, right? But every dollar you save is another dollar that can fuel your journey to early retirement. And guess what? You don't have to wait until you're 40 to start reaping the benefits. Step 4, creating a sustainable withdrawal strategy. So you've saved up, you've invested wisely, and now you're thinking about withdrawing. Here's the key. Don't just take money out willy-nilly. Have a strategy, like the 4% rule, where you only withdraw 4% of your savings annually. This way, you ensure that your money lasts through the years, allowing you to enjoy your retirement without worrying about running out of funds. Want to know how to make sure you're not pulling out too soon? I've got one last piece of advice coming up, something that will completely change how you approach early retirement. But first, let's talk about the hidden costs most people miss. A peaceful, worry-free person living life on their terms, enjoying their time traveling, spending time with family, or pursuing a passion. All right, here's the final piece of the puzzle, your mindset. Early retirement isn't just about money. It's about making intentional choices now, thinking long-term, and staying disciplined even when it feels tough. The path to early retirement is within your reach, but only if you take action today. Don't wait for the next crash to catch you off guard. Every dollar you save, every smart investment you make, is one step closer to your dream life. The question is, are you ready to take the leap? If you're ready to take control of your financial future and build the retirement you've always dreamed of, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Your future self will thank you for it. End screen with video recommendations and subscribe button.